Hello everyone, now I will be teaching you on how to factor polynomial using the GCMF or the greatest common monomial factor. Of course, unahin natin is the GCF ng 2 and ng 10. So, si 10, ilagay mo as prime factorization. So, that is 5 times 2. Okay, yung pareha sa kanila, yun yung magiging GCF. So, which means the greatest common factor is 2. And then, ganun na yun siya. And then, yung m, of course, yung pareha sa kanila na variable, i-copy nyo yun. Tapos, kopyahin mo yung mababang exponent niya. Yan, n. And then, yung p squared. And then, after that, divide mo yung bawat term dyan sa GCMF. So, 2 divide 2 is 1. And then, m squared divide m. Magma-minus tayo ng exponent pag-divide. So, 2 minus 1 is m. And then, 3 minus 2 sa p. Kaya maging p na lang siya. So, plus 10 divide 2 is 5. And then, n squared divide n is n na lang. And then, yung dalawa doon, maging 0. So, wala na po tayong ilalagay. Okay, number 2, pansinin nyo, yung tatlong numerical na yan ay may 1 na kasama. So, meaning, hindi tayo kukuha ng greatest common factor. Doon tayo sa mga letters. So, yung y, then yung pinakamababang exponent yung kakopyahin. And then, next is to divide na. So, yan, yung matitira is y na lang. And then, yung y is squared kasi ma-minus 3 minus 1 is 2. Then z squared minus, so 12, kapahin mo lang. And then z squared. Divide c is z.